Hello guys, so this is my first time going on the train in Abuja. So we're heading to Kaduna from Abuja, and it's such a beautiful scenery. Okay, so there's the economy and there's the first class. I don't know how much it is, but I'm gonna find out. Joseph, that's Joseph, my cameraman. Say hi. Yeah, alright, so I'll keep you guys posted. Okay, so we're boarding now. There's an elevator that takes you upstairs, but would rather use the staircase. I'll show you a better view of what it looks like. Give me a second. So can you see that? We're all going upstairs. So there's actually an elevator that takes you, from downstairs. But it's just one elevator I saw. So we have to use the staircase. A bit of exercise in the morning will do. So platform 1 and 2. And then you have way out at the other side. So let's go. Okay, so this is the elevator. People are coming out from it. So there's the first class and then there's the regular. So you see that people are being divided into the sent to different directions. Let's see where I'm going to. So this is the way to the first class, guys. Well, this is what the vicinity looks like, and this is the train I'm getting on. Nigeria is actually getting developed. I'm so proud of my country. Every day, every time, celebrating every small win. Oh, my bag is quite heavy, and I lost track of my cameraman. I have absolutely no idea where he is right now. But I know he'll catch up with me somehow. Hi. Fine, thank you. So guys, see what the train looks like. The entrance looks very clean. The rail tracks look well kept. See my cameraman coming all the way. I thought I had lost you. Okay, so we can continue. The entrance is very pretty. See what it looks like. I'm definitely taking a seat by the window. That's not even enough for conversation. Okay, so I think I'll go here. No window. Oh, sweet Lord.
37.
Yes. This is what the first class area looks like. 2 seats each. Has a lot of space. Yeah. So I'm on the train. Sadly, my seat doesn't have a window, except for this one in front. But it's as good as not having a window. So if you're getting on a train, advice, maybe you want to ask or request for a window seat, how you do on like a regular flight. It's very serene, has a lot of space, a lot of leg room. Let me show you. See, a lot of leg room to play around with. There's a socket here where you can actually charge your phone. It's not charging now. I think it's because the train has not been turned yet. The power source has not been turned on yet. But I love that I'm taking this, adventure. And I believe I'm going to really love it. Love it. I'll keep you guys posted. I hear it's a 2 hours train ride from Abuja to Kaduna. Oh yes, and just like you have on the flights, see, you have a tray for drinks, whatever. Do they share food here? Or you have to buy with POS or with cash? Okay, so most likely, of course, I like food, so I may buy food if there's POS because I don't have cash. But this is what the table looks like. It's you can stretch and extend it. Very lovely. I like what I'm seeing right now. In fact, it even has more leg room than the average plane economy, of course. But this is first class train. The difference is clear. All right, let's do this. We leave at 7:14, so we have started moving. So, I don't know. You can't see it from outside, but they don't have the POS on the train, so don't try to come with your ATM and think that they're going to, you can buy stuff with POS. No, you can't. So just have your cash. But I'm about to get the guy asked me if I needed serious cash, and I said yes, or whatever, just so that I don't travel without cash. They don't have an ATM at the train station. I know, right? But let's just make do, to be honest. I think they sell food. They don't give food for free, even if you're on the first class. They sell newspaper. Oh, I already feel the breeze. Okay, I think it's ACO. Okay, no, it's the breeze. It's the window. So that's the window. Open slightly. I see my bag up there. So let's enjoy the ride, guys. Haha. We walk upon the waters forever you come. So are we taking a different route? This one that we're moving backwards. Oh, before you don't even know the road. First train ride. I'm so excited. Farmers in their farmlands, vast green. Sweet Jesus. And we just need to come back to Lagos again. Okay, just kidding. This is really, really beautiful. The scenery to Kaduna, but we're in Kaduna now though. Okay, so we just got here and
it's 90.
oh yeah, let's go. I don't have time. It's quite busy here. But nice. Okay. They're gonna take us for 6,000 to Zaria. So take note.